How to see card number on the Bank of America app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can see your card number on the Bank of America app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To see your bank card number on the BOFA app, open up the Bank of America mobile banking application, and first of all you need to log in. So tap on the login option. Then once you tap on login, just agree the terms and conditions, select your user ID, enter password, and then you tap on the login option. After you log in, go to the manage card settings page, select get my digital card option, then tap the new digital card image. Your card number, CVV code and expiration date will appear right on that page. Now if you're having trouble finding your card number, you can also access it via online banking. It's as simple as that. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.